Hi, I'm Chris Williams with Autoscope, and this is the Autoscope Minute. We've had a few questions recently about brakes on the European cars and why do they have to be replaced so frequently. European cars are actually designed in mind with higher speeds than other vehicles such as Japanese or domestic vehicles. They're designed to actually travel on the Autobahn across Europe at much higher speeds than are legal here in the US, so the brakes actually need to stop in a shorter distance so that they can bring the car to a halt from those higher speeds. To do that, we actually have to sacrifice more parts on the brakes. Your typical brakes would only use the pads as the sacrificial part because they wear down when you're applying the brakes. On European cars, the pads and rotors actually wear together. Typically, the rotors only last one set of pads, and whenever you go through a complete set of pads, we can measure the rotors to make sure if they're going to need to be replaced. Most of the time, they're not going to make it through a second set. I'm Chris with the Autoscope Minute. Tune in tomorrow for another one.